The reset button on your Reliance electric water heater is a built-in safety feature designed to prevent overheating. It's often called the eco switch, short for emergency cutoff. When water temperature rises too high, this switch trips and shuts down power to the heating elements to protect the unit and your home. You'll usually find the reset button as a small red button located on the upper thermostat, hidden behind the top access panel. Before touching anything, turn off the circuit breaker, supplying power to the heater. This step is critical because electric water heaters run on high voltage. Once power is off, remove the upper access panel with a screwdriver and gently pull back the insulation. You'll see the thermostat assembly with the red reset button in the center. If it is tripped, the button may feel slightly raised. Press it firmly until you hear or feel a click. Then reposition the insulation, secure the panel, and restore power at the breaker. Allow time for the tank to reheat. However, if the button keeps tripping, don't ignore it. Repeated trips usually signal a deeper issue, such as a failing thermostat, defective heating element, wiring problem, or sediment buildup causing overheating. In these cases, contact a licensed technician rather than continuing to reset it. Routine maintenance helps prevent problems. Flushing the tank every 1 to 3 years more often in hard water areas reduces sediment buildup and improves efficiency. If your unit is older than 15 years or showing corrosion or leaks, replacement may be more cost effective, especially with modern high efficiency options like heat pump water heaters.